YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Guapo Joe, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, this is my #1 diet hack to lose weight. So today, I was craving a soda. I was craving Fanta. You know what I did? I bought 0-calorie soda. This is just an example. So my #1 hack is to replace all your foods with low-calorie versions. This is for a beginner just starting out their journey to lose weight. Another example, I was making my homemade milkshake the other day. I used 30-calorie sugar-free Jell-O. So little stuff like that are game changers. For breakfast, instead of eating whole eggs, eat egg whites. You get way higher volumes of food for way less calories. You could also fill up on foods like lettuce and spinach, very low calorically dense foods that'll fill you up a lot. And next time you're craving a food, don't be afraid to eat it. But my highest recommendation is to make a low-calorie version of that food yourself. Don't go out and buy it. Make it yourself so you know exactly how many calories are into it. You can make a low-calorie, high-protein version. So again, if you're craving a soda, don't be afraid. Just go out and buy a 0-calorie diet soda. And then if you guys want, and I know the sodas are very, very controversial with the artificial sweeteners, but this is my take on it. This is how I live my life. I'd rather have some chemicals and be lean rather than go out and have a drink with a ton of sugar and become fat. That's just my opinion. That's my personal opinion. Everyone's different. But that's my #1 hack if you're trying to lose weight. If I was a beginner starting over again, back to where I started, that would be my #1 hack. I'd go back and tell myself is to replace all my foods with low-calorie versions so you could still enjoy life and lose a ton of weight. Obviously, that was a very quick video. That was just my #1 hack for beginners to lose weight. And on my channel, I have a ton of cooking videos, workout videos, mental health videos. So if you guys want more tips about fitness, nutrition, and mental health, go check out my channel. If you enjoyed this video, got anything out of it, go drop a comment. Please hit the like button. I greatly appreciate it. Guapo out.